Ooh. It's on sale. Would you rather have an ultra Nerf gun or a poker set? I'm gonna go with the Nerf gun. That looks like a lot of fun. And it's pretty big. Yeah, I agree. Today we are having our Meralco Christmas party, and we're supposed to have an exchange gift worth at least 1,000 pesos for our white elephant gift exchange. And so it's gonna be a lot of fun because you never know what people are gonna get. You know, in my case, I'm getting a Nerf gun. So whoever chooses my gift is gonna get this, whether it's for them or for their kids. I feel like they'll really enjoy this. So stay tuned and we'll see what else everybody else decides to get, and we'll see what I walk away with today. All right? It's actually pretty legit. I think I gotta do it, man. It's my own personal. I just like to have fun. I'm a kid at heart, always. Mikey, bah! Let's do it. Okay.
I'm Batman. I'm the Dark Knight. Vengeance comes in night. I'm gonna do my best to protect Gotham. This is my cape. It's more like a bib, but it's a cape.
Oh, to somebody special from
Me.
yours truly. Shout out to our Meralco media team. Hey, what's up? You guys need love too. Everybody show them love. Yeah. Responsible for all of our Meralco stuff.
Thank you.
How do you love it? How do you like it?
Thanks for following.
course.
I love working with Meralco. I've been doing this for several years now, and
Nice.
I love this team.
We love you too, Siege. We love you too. How's it been?
So, been good, been fun. Been a fun half year. Second half day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More to come.
Come on, gal. Tick, 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 tick.
Time.
Tick, 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 tick,
Oh,
tick,
right.
tick, tick.
Shit! Relax ka lang po. Ang bawas yung mga ano ko ng gymnast eh. Kagularuan ng mga ano to eh. Mga pagkain.